I'm just sitting here, I got time.
Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk about Humble Bumble and one of their current bundle deals, which unfortunately is just available for the next 3 days. I believe it's been available for the month, but I just stumbled across it. Humble Bumble is generally known for its games and its game bundles, but they also have bundles on comics and books and software. Today I picked up Pinnacle Studio 24, which is the current edition, the ultimate version, for $1.28 Australian. Generally retails for $129.95. So that is a massive saving. And who would not want a powerful video editor for $1.28 Australian, which is the equivalent of $1 American? So let's take a look and see what we get for that $1.28. This is the introduction screen for Pinnacle Studio 24 Ultimate. We can quickly see that there's some tabs up the top, a home, an import, an edit, and a currently grayed out export, as we haven't actually made anything to export. There's what's new in this version. There's some tutorials, some help, how to make motion tiles. Tiles, if you've watched one of my Filmora videos, the text that you can place into your video, saying things like, welcome home, happy birthday, and that text can dance and rotate and go up and down the page or across. Or we've also got some links to additional software that can incorporate with the program, and we've also got some links showing their other products. So let's take a look at importing a video. Okay, so I'm seeing this for the first time, and what I can see is we've got access to load a video from a DVD. We've got scan for assets, so it can do a search on your computer for all of your videos. It's got a stop motion facility, snap lock, and multicam capture. As part of the Humble Bumble deal, if you were to pay more than the $1.28, and I think it's somewhere around the $13 mark, you can actually get the multicam software that can be embedded into Pinnacle, but I actually didn't want that, so it's something that can be selected if you choose to spend a little bit more. So let's click on my computer, and it's nice to see that there's some help and information available by highlighting these tabs. So now that we've gone to my computer, we can select my drive and we can not find my folder. So let's double click it. There we go. Okay, so by double clicking the folder, it opens up the subfolders, and double clicking that folder opens up the subfolders, etc. So let's choose a video. We can highlight it and start import, I'm assuming, or we could double click it. No, double clicking doesn't work. Importing, go to edit, and there we have video file that we selected. Okay, so now we have the name of the project, the media viewer with our video, transitions, sound effects, our video player, and our timeline. So let's drop the video into the timeline. We'll call it track 1. We'll just quickly click on it. Okay, that's playing. We're waiting for it to load. All video editors take some time to load because they're very large files, and of course the program is reading so much information about every pixel on every frame. Go to my intro area where I have my intro video. select Start Import. It's indicated that the file is there in orange. It's not really the best way to tell you that it's actually imported, but I suppose it will do. So we go back to edit. It's a very different way of doing things. We pick up our intro video and put it in as the second track, like so. We will move that one across, and we have the great feature of videos butting up against each other to make sure there's no wasted space or space that plays in between videos, which is very helpful. There's a padlock there, and so now we've completely locked that line and that can't move. So that's a very good feature as well. That just helps us to make sure that it stays in place and we don't accidentally click on it and move it. So let's take a look at how we can cut this video into different segments. Now we want to learn how to edit the video. So we will go to this tool, which is Split Clips. Click on that. Actually, we'll need to highlight a part we want to delete. Click on Split Clips. There we go. We can now choose Delete. We've got quite a few options in our right-click menu when the video is highlighted. We've got Rotation, which is really good. We've got a direct link to motion tracking, which is really good. Pan and zoom the video. So we probably don't need a transition to implement a pan and a zoom. We can probably just do it under settings in this right-click menu. We can detach the audio, which is a great feature to remove motorcycle videos in particular that have wind and you're talking over the top like I'm doing in this tutorial. So we can first of all delete the section we don't want. We only need a little bit of this video, it doesn't matter what it is, for this quick example of this program. So we'll split it again, we'll choose just there, split it again. Now we can delete the right hand side, which is highlighted with that orange. Everything's highlighted with orange, it's really handy actually. So delete, I forgot where it was. Oh yeah, down the bottom. And so now we've just got this quick short video here that we'll be using as our sample. We can play that. And of course that wind noise is horrific. So we'll right click on that and choose Detach Audio, like so. And now we will delete that. So now there's no audio and we can play that again. So now we need to import a piece of music. So we go back to the library, which we're already in. Import over here. All these programs are different. This is actually very different than most video editors in the way that it's structured, but it's something that you'd get used to. It's just a matter of once you know it, you can work quicker. It's completely different than Filmora, which is the one that I use, but I have intentions of using this as well, because you can never learn too much when it comes to editing videos, because both programs will have different transitions and effects and sound bites and free software like music. So we'll go into my royalty-free area and we'll choose a piece of music. Once again, it's selected everything in the folder. There must be a setting to turn that off, because this is really annoying. If you had 400 pieces of music in your folder, you'd have to so highlight that one and import. Unless, of course, it doesn't matter that they're all ticked and just the one that's got the orange around it is the one that's used. That's quite possible. That's how it works. So yeah, we go back to edit. There's a bit of jumping around here. So now we get the song and we can drop it into there like so. I'm not going to worry too much about what it is. I'll just go to the area with my time, highlight it right next to it, split it. We can delete that extra part. Okay, so now we have an intro, a video, and a piece of music. We can create an end title. So we click on the title tab, create title. This makes a new title. We can have it as a basic text, and we can type thanks for watching. And so now we have our thanks for watching. We should be able to pick this up and move it over the video like so. So it becomes a transparency on the actual video itself. We might just put that into there. There will be many more things that you can do in this program. You could edit the music to fade in and fade out, but this is just a quick preview of this program that I got for $1 US. And there we have it, just a short video as an example in this $1 program, Studio Pinnacle 24 Ultimate. If you get a chance over the next 3 days, grab it for a US $1 and you can't go wrong. Cheers.